Okay, Joy, I'm just writing this tasks for you here. I've put down number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, etc. After these are done, which if we can get done in the next 2-3 days, it would be really good. After these are done, we've got some Web 2.0 sites that I need to add content to. I'm going to go through that for you right now. So just to avoid any confusion, we'll start off with the 20 blogspot sites, and here's the login details here. The username is equestrianaccidentclaims@gmail.com, and the password, let me just fix that, password is here as well. Okay, now when we log in here, you will see there's a whole bunch of these blogs in here. We can view more. There should be something like 20 or 25 of these, and all of them have got their own keywords. So that the keyword for this would be accident claims, accident compensation claims. The next one, road traffic accident claims, etc. Now I've got 21 articles that we can use, but what we need to do here, just to keep things really simple, is any that has got a city, right? If it has got a city like Bolton, Essex, Cardiff, what I need to do is go to the main site. Let me just get the accident claim, yeah, this one, accidentclaimscompensation.org.uk. Now in your tasks notepad file, I've got here some notes down the bottom. That's the name of the site, that's the main money site, that's the main site that we're linking to. All the blog network link juice is going here. Okay, so we go to that site, right? And when we come down, you will see all the locations here. And when you click on a location, for example, like London, it's probably better if you take the HTML. I'll give you the login details for this as well. But basically, all we want to do is get all of this content from here. There should be a video appear here, but it's a bit slow to load right now. There we go. Take all of this content from here, including the video, which the video you might have to just double click on that to go over to YouTube to get the embed code.
Accident compensation claims process. Treatment. If you need treatment as a result of your injuries, our solicitor will put in...
Sorry about that. Right, so what we need to do, if you double click, that will take you over to YouTube, and then if you click here for share and then click here for embed, you will get this code here, this iframe code. If we can use that inside Blogspot, that's really good. So every one of these that's got a city, you will find information here for that particular city, and just if you just copy the whole lot, all that information all the way down. I don't know if we can put a form there. If we can't put the form, that's fine, then just take from here. And then we've got all this information here as well. If we can take that image, it's good as well. And what you will see is for London, for example, I've got 10 videos here. Again, these are all on YouTube, and they're all different videos on different YouTube channels. It's just something that we're testing. If I can get all of those onto that page that says for London Personal Injury Solicitors London, that would be really good. And all we need to do is where it says here start blogging, you just click on the link. And there we got an option for HTML, and so we can just swipe the HTML from here and copy it into here. It's as simple as that. Really, it's that simple. That's the way we should be doing it. And once that's done, what we need to do is where it says labels, just use it exactly the same as what is in the title of the blogger title. So this would be Personal Injury Solicitors London, for example. Oops, sorry, my typing is awful. There we go. Just something like that. So that would be done. Schedule automatic is okay. Location, you need to be, this needs to be done. It's very important. So what we do here is we put in London, UK. Click on search. It will find it, and then we can click on done. And options here. I don't think we need to do anything here. So just to make sure we've got at least one label. The labels are the same as tags when we use in Blogspot. It's exactly the same as tags, okay? Schedule, we don't need to do anything, just in location, yes, we do need to have London. That address there just came up because my mouse scrolled. It just found a location automatically there when I scrolled the mouse. There's no particular relevance to this particular address. As long as it's a London location, it's fine. Okay, so we just take the HTML from there. Now I'll log in here so I can get the details, and I'll do this one. Just need to go to WP. There we go, WP admin. Man, it's so cold here, really cold. Right, so I can log in. I'll put the login details underneath here. So where I've got here the accident claims, etc., I will put the login details just underneath here. So all I need to do now that I've logged in is go back to that page. There we go. And when I'm at the page, if I refresh that, I should get the bar at the top here that lets me log into this particular page. Yeah, you see the bars come up here, so all I need to do is edit the post. Go to HTML, copy, go to Blogger, paste, and we can click on save. Actually I didn't give it a name, so I need to give it a name. Whatever the keyword is here, just put in here, but do the hyphen here with / accident claims for all of those sites, whatever it might be here, whatever the blogger name is. Just give it a / accident claims. We're only going to do one post on each one of these. Okay, we don't want to do more than that. Just do one post on each one and put it into the HTML. So now we can just publish this, and we'll see what happens. Let's click on view. Something might not have worked with the videos and stuff like that, but most of it should be okay. Yeah, if we got a situation like this, we need to try and fix it. Okay, so there's something not working here. Just take that off, give it a tidy up, try and center the picture, and come down here. That's good, and all of this is very good as well. You see, very, very easy to do. But we got 20 of these. Okay, so what we need to do with them, if I just go back over to my blogs, that one does need tidied up. If you've got somebody that can just go in and fix that for me, just tidy out so that public HTML, sorry, this stuff here isn't happening. That is this YouTube with the square bracket thing is because I'm using a plugin on the WordPress site that I just put in the URL for YouTube. So basically what we need to do is take the embed code and take that one out, and this needs to be tidied up here, take away all that HTML stuff here as well. Okay, so I'll let you guys do that. I haven't really got time right now to do that. So we have to do it for every single one of these. Now I've got 21 articles. Let me just find those articles so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. If I go back over to Dropbox and I type in 21 articles. There should be a zip file shows up. Yeah, 21 accident claims articles here. It's not a zip file. I will put this into the Dropbox for you, and when we open this, you're going to see all these articles inside. Okay. What we need to do with this is to find if it's not a city site like this one, accident compensation claims, for example. So then we go to the 21 articles and we find the article that says accident compensation claims. When you open that, it should have links with anchor text already in it. Yeah, you can see here. And when you can see what it's got the links with the anchor text in it, now you've got to ignore this thing here. You just got to ignore what it says here. because we need that as part of, for the anchor text. So what we're going to do is we're going to find, actually what we can do is just start the sentence off like this: accident compensation claims. Just copy that, and what we will do is we will make an anchor text backlink here, and so we'll make a hyperlink here, so that we're going to have an anchor text backlink. Because this is Word, I'm not that familiar with where it should be. Where is it? Oh yeah, hyperlink here. So we put an address here. So basically, whatever link is here at the top here, that doesn't appear. That shouldn't appear in the blogspot. Actually, I don't think it would matter too much if it does, to be honest. But that's the title, and what we want at the end of this is accident claims when we put it into the blogspot. Okay, so that's the title of the actual blog post that we're going to create. You can leave that in there; it doesn't matter too much. And just make sure that we've got an anchor text link. Yes, so the link will be for this one, okay? And accident compensation claims is the keyword because that's the name of the actual article. And you want to get it in as early as possible, so the first thing to do really is just to repeat whatever's said up here as the first part of the sentence and make it anchor text. The sooner that we get that anchor text link in there, the better for SEO, okay? So I'm just going to save that, and I will put these inside the Dropbox. Let me just do this one for you, Joey, actually, just for quickness, just for speed, just to avoid any confusion. Let me click on here. And we want to make a post, or we can make a page. This one's already got a post, which I wasn't aware of. I must have done this one myself. Oh, I did this one actually with the curation soft, that's why. Okay. So what we'll do with this, we'll make a page for these actually. Let's do pages and not do posts. So we can click on home. Ah, that's what's been done. Damn it. Okay, no problem. What we will do, if the other ones won't have any of this, okay? This is just one I must have done when I was doing a video for the Fiverr blueprint. So what we will do here, let me just go back. So we'll click on edit, home, we can change to accident compensation claims. So this is a post, Joey, a page, Joey, not a post, okay? And all of the blogspot ones we will do the same way. Oh, it doesn't let me in there. How can I change this? Because it's asking me to do a new post over here. Alright, it should just let you do a page, okay? If it doesn't let you do a page, then screw it, who cares? Let's just do a new post for the sake of easiness. If you can figure it out, then great. Because this is a WordPress document, I can just do it like this, I think. Right, then there's the title. And actually, no, I can't do that, can I? I need to do it in HTML. You need to do the HTML. If you know how to do the HTML with the href to make this, actually here, like, sorry mate, I'm confusing you. So accident compensation claims. We can add a link. So that's been done now, okay. And we can take this, put that there as well. Doesn't matter, it's there twice. And just publish. There we go. And if we view that now, there we go, our link is there. We got it in quite early, so because I put that in there twice as a heading. What we need to do there really is make sure that we've got, let me just edit it. I need these paragraphs to be there. I think it's something to do with the HTML formatting, maybe. Maybe if I can, yeah. Okay, so what we need to do is to make sure that we got some paragraphs in here. Google doesn't like it if you make it text just like that. If we can make them exactly the same way as what it is in the actual article, because I had somebody else write these for me, so I guess they put thought into it already, so it shouldn't be looking like that all in one article. It should be a little bit separated the same way, in the same format as it is in the actual article here. Okay, so if you can get someone to do that, one of the data entry people, that's a good thing to do. So we've got all 20 of them to do. You will find the articles that are corresponding to the actual posts and stuff. And if you find there is a particular keyword in here, or one of these you don't have the content for, like workplace accident claims or equestrian or something like that. Equestrian's already been done, just ignore that one. But if there's anything here that is not in the articles, just take any article then and stick it in there. But if you can get the one to match, then it's going to be much better for SEO. And you're going to find maybe some cities. I know that we don't have something for Bolton on the main site over here. In the accident claims compensation.org.uk, we don't have anything that says Bolton, but what you can do is you can just copy what it says from Manchester, for example, and change Manchester over to Bolton for the sake of the blogger. Just get someone to change the name, just do a Control and F to highlight where it says Manchester, and then change it over to Bolton. And it's probably better to do Bolton with Manchester, because they're very, very close together. Because what I've done with these sites, if I come over here, when we come down a little bit, all of this information here has been taken from Google Places. So these are relative to London. So the ones that are relative to Manchester will still be kind of relative to Bolton as well, because they're very near each other. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I know that's been a long video, but maybe just once you've seen it once, then you can go ahead and get all 20 done, and that would be great. Thank you.